Okay, to fry this okra, you take your old black cast iron skillet. This is the one my mama used for years. Passed it down through the family. Now, and you take this, and you do a light fry. Now here's the trick about cooking with cast iron most people don't know. They'll put their food in there cold, when the skillet's cold. And then they'll try to cook and it sticks, and they get aggravated. Let the skillet heat up. Put your shortening or whatever you're using in there, and then put your food in there on a very low heat with onions and garlic, and it'll come out good. That's one of the main reasons cooking with a black iron skillet. Preheat it, and you'll never be sorry. That's all we have is black iron skillets. I got a huge one, I got this one, and a small one. Teflon, I don't like to eat Teflon. The iron out of the skillet puts iron in your blood. When you're cooking, you're getting trace elements of iron. So